Hi there. My name is Adina and I am a physical therapist and I am a formulator for pain relieving topicals. Now I wanted to just introduce you to a couple of the products that I have that have been useful for people who have been dealing with chronic joint pain. These two products are all natural. They are designed to improve blood flow and circulation to the tissue, and they're designed to bring elements to the tissue to help them to be healthy. And when you use them in combination, they are able to calm down the pain levels and to improve just general tolerance to mobility and moving around without using pain patches or taking injections. Now, I'm not a person that is an advocate for injections because it does change the tissue and it does not remedy the problem. And although I am sharing these products with you, I know that these are not the end all. I designed this because I'm burdened with people being dependent on pain medications, and I've heard some pretty bad stories about people who are using even over-the-counter pain pills that have cost them their life. And I don't like the opioid crisis that's going on, and I want to be a part of the solution. Now, because there are certain people who are very good at saying, tell me what to do and I will do it, and they don't care what that means. And what I mean by that is that they are willing to do the exercises. They are willing to change their lifestyle habits and get those gains that they can get. But I also know that there are people out there who can't do those things, are afraid of doing those things because of the pain that they have. Thus, that's why I have some of these products. But I'm also aware that there are people who, for whatever reason, maybe it is that they're very aged in years and they can't really move around very well, but they just really want some relief so they can just get through the day. To get out of their bed, to get to the bathroom, to take care of their daily needs, to be able to sit and eat and just enjoy whatever they are wanting to enjoy from day to day. So I am not saying that these products are the end all. I am saying that they are part of the puzzle. My first encouragement for you is to really look at what you can do to make sure that your tissues are flexible and that there is strength in the proper areas around that particular joint or those muscles that are bothering you. Now, you have to look around at other videos because I do talk about the other aspects that can deal with pain. But the products I have are my DePain Salve, which is something that you can rub on. And then I also have the Joire, which is an oil. And this is formulated in a very specific way in order to create deeper penetration. And I have other things that I like people to use, or I even use with my patients in order to improve penetration. So these are natural pain relieving remedies and they do work. And I will be doing other videos that will talk about some of the more specific ways that you can use them. But I just wanted to come on as an introduction because the things that I have in these products are natural, they are herbal, there are no fillers, and so everything is an herb or an olive oil or a menthol, which people are very familiar with menthol because of the BioFreeze product. But mine go beyond what BioFreeze can do. And so if it's something that you're concerned about as far as what are you putting onto your body, because what you put onto your body does get into your body, and you want something that is natural, using those things that are given to us in nature that can create an analgesic effect so that you're not using your NSAIDs. You're not using these over-the-counter pills or even things like Voltaren. Voltaren is nothing but a cream with an over-the-counter drug mixed into it that you're rubbing directly into your skin. And the fact of the matter is that when you are using these synthetic materials in your medications and even in the creams, again, all of these cause side effects, all of them. And I don't think anybody enjoys side effects. Sometimes you're not even aware of the side effects that you might be experiencing because of the medications that you're either taking or the things that you're putting on your skin, or even with the injections. Everything has a side effect that is a medication. They are synthetic chemicals. They are synthesized in a lab in order to mimic sometimes the things that are in nature, or just because those compounds mixed together are created to have been shown to have certain kind of effect on the tissue. But you can't get away with using these sorts of things without wreaking havoc on other parts of your body. And the other part of this is, as you are using the medications, they're not taking care of the problem. There are people who are teaching you, and I'm just part of a team, but we're trying to get the public to understand that there are other options that are out there other than the pills and the medications and injections or even surgery. But that you want to do those things that cooperate with the body. You want to do those things that enhance the natural mechanisms within the body so that the tissues can repair. The sad reality is that many people have gotten to the point that they want the easy way out. Now, if you want an easy way out and you just want to rub something on and move on with your day, you are entitled to do that. But I also know that there are many people who are sitting at home who won't go to physical therapy again, who won't go to a chiropractor, who won't let anybody massage them because of the fear of the pain, the difficulty moving about, or just they don't have any belief in the system anymore. And I'm sad to hear that, but I just realized that that is a reality. But I want to hopefully give you an opportunity to see that there are those of us out there who are really looking to elicit a change in this system. The system that we're under is a system to keep us kind of in chains, okay? We're at the mercy of a system that wants to tell us that we will always have this problem or we will always be on this medication. I don't buy into that. I think that we can always improve. When you're having pain, if you're having stiffness, if you're having difficulty supporting yourself in your posture, if you were hurting when you're walking, these things didn't come just because you woke up and rolled off on the wrong side of the bed one day. There has been a gradual change in your tissue, in the strength of the tissue and the flexibility of the tissue. There have been changes that have been because of how